This is another one? That's not the one?
That's the one we went to yesterday.
The day before yesterday.
Yeah.
Alright.
I think we're still on this path for a little bit.
Alright, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are here and we are about to go check out this fall, and I'm gonna go talk to the locals later to give you the rightful pronunciation of the name of this place, but for sure it's in Siquijor. But look here guys, motorcycle is a thing in Siquijor. If you want to have a good time here and enjoy your trip here, you need to get a motorcycle. Yeah, you need to get a motorcycle. Maybe my wallet if we're gonna pay, but I'm not sure I'm gonna pay. I'm a YouTuber, man. So let's just ask them first. So these are the tour guys right here. How are you, Kuya?
I'm fine.
I'm Success, and
My name is Filmar.
sorry,
Filmar.
Filma. Are you a tour guy here?
Yeah.
All right. So what's the name of this place?
Cambugahay Falls.
Cambugahay
Yeah.
Falls. Yeah. And how is the process going to Cambugahay Falls?
Sir, if you're going the falls, you have entrance fee 20 per head.
20 pesos.
Yeah, you logbook first. And also, if you want to play the Tarzan swing, you need to pay also 50 pesos one person.
Feet,
50 pesos one person
to do what?
to do the Tarzan swing. But
Swing.
unlimited jump.
All right.
You can.
Oh, okay. There are so many people there. So let's just take a look at the surrounding here. See people here going to the waterfall down here. And shout out to the tour guys here.
You ask the.
Oh my god.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, buy drinks, sir.
Yeah, let's just show the drinks. So if you come here, you want to buy drinks here, you just buy drinks before going to the waterfall if you need some. So let's talk to the owner of the.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, Square?
20 per person, sir.
So another thing, every time you travel, you gotta promote the locals. So she's selling a banana. This is banana, right? Yeah. So a banana right here, or ripe banana with is this sugar or salt?
Sugar,
Oh, sugar. I don't think I wanted sugar, but it's fine. And this is
margarine,
margarine. And how much?
15.
15 pesos. And you have this right here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. 15 pesos, and we have this right here. I want to get a water, but I'm not sure how I'm going to carry water down. My hands are full. Camera in.
Want water?
How much?
20 for the small one, 40 for the big one. Which one?
I have 10 pesos. Discount?
No discount.
Why? Can you give me a discount?
You're not a senior citizen, sir.
I am. Do you know how old I am?
Want water, sir? 135 steps going down and bring water.
135 steps?
5 steps.
Wow.
And the smaller 20. Big one, sir, small one.
Small one. I don't need a big one. Gonna get water, guys. See you later. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Now heading down here. There's 132 stairs down to the waterfalls. So let's go. Yeah. Got people coming up here. So, I just forgot the waterfall's name, guys. I don't remember the name. It's kind of a local name. Kuya, why are you taking the rice bar up? I'm going down. I want to eat.
You wanna eat?
Yeah.
You wanna have some?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I see?
Sure.
Why you have a lot of rice?
already.
Did you
Already
guys have a
finished.
party there?
No.
Where's the ulang? Where's
We usually bring this when we go
Ah,
chop chop.
Alright, thank you. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, hello vlog.
Hi, how are
Hello,
you?
vlog.
How are you? Hi. Alright, so you got a lot of people coming up here. Hey. Hi, hello. How was the waterfalls? It was good? It's beautiful, right? Oh, yeah. Hello. Hi, how are you? Hi. friendly people here in Siquijor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you breathing? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Ah, you need
Very tired.
you need to rest.
Okay.
Oh, you carrying someone? Oh my God, I can imagine.
Yes.
How's the waterfalls? All right. Oh no. Very tired. So guys, to go, yeah, hi. The experience is amazing, but to go back up. Yeah. Oh my God. But I mean, this is actually smaller than what we did. Like Ita and I, we went down a waterfalls. It's more than 500 stairs down. It was really long. But for now, I can already see the waterfalls from here. Yeah. This is gonna be an amazing experience, guys. So look at the stairs going down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just before we go to the waterfall, I'm eating banana. If you're new here, I'm Success. I do travel videos around the Philippines, and if you want to stay tuned for all of my travels around the Philippines, make sure to smash that subscribe button and keep supporting the vlog. I love you guys. Let's go check out the waterfall. All right, so just before we go to the waterfall, you need to pay 20 pesos for entry fee here at this waterfall. Hey, my friend. Hey. So the entry fee is, hey, it's about Utang. The entry fee is actually 20 pesos. And I think you gotta pay extra fees to ride these things. Yeah, but we're gonna explore around later, guys. Don't worry. We're gonna explore around later. Wow. Yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful waterfalls. You got life jackets here. You could get some life jackets if you want to. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
How do you pronounce the name of the waterfall again?
Cambugahay Falls.
Cambugahay Falls.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Cambugahay Falls. So we just arrived at the waterfalls. Cambugahay Falls. Hey, Sarah. How are you? Oh, you didn't go to the beach. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm vlogging. How are you guys? Do you stay in the same hostel right now?
Yeah, this morning used to be my hostel, yeah.
All right. Welcome back
Two
to.
people I was travelling with were too tired, so they just went to bed. I've only got 2 days, so I can't go
Are you going? Are you still going to Baraka?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meant to be, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the falls. Hey, bro.
You're gonna send a backflip?
I don't know how to do a backflip, but I could try.
Give it a go.
Is it deep?
Yeah.
All right. Then that's
You can do a backflip off that one. See like this little wall here. You can send it. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to just jump out quite far.
All right.
It's all right. It's good fun.
I'm gonna try.
Give it a
But
go.
I'm so afraid, man. Oh, look at that. You could get on this the bamboo right there and just go in the water. So this is the fall. Wow, look at this beautiful fall. Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh my God. It's amazing here. It's really big. There's another one up there. Let's go walk around.
Try to press. No Wi-Fi.
We want to explore around a little bit. We'll check around. It's a freaking big place. Let's go explore around. Kumain ka na?
Kain tayo!
Kain tayo! Sabaw! I know sabaw is soup, but I don't know how to put it in the sentence. I'm always saying sabaw because. Oh, kamusta kuya?
Yeah, okay tayo.
All right, all right, all right, guys. Hi. Okay lang, ikaw.
Mabuti naman.
Mabuti. Okay. Thank you. Wow. These bananas are good, guys. We're gonna have a little lunch, so getting a little bit of Filipino snack. Yeah, Kuya. We're trying to explore around a little bit here to show you guys more. To show you guys more of this place. Look at everyone right there. Wow. Look at that beautiful waterfalls, guys. Hello. ¿Cómo está? How's the waterfalls? Is it good? All right. Oh. And see, the locals always come here to chill and have fun time. Dude, I like your hair, man. Did you dye your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool, man. Don't know where these guys are going to. Just following them. Anyways. Oh. Do we stay here or we go there? Do we stay here or we go there? Everywhere. So this is gonna be like a station. We just station our materials here and then walk around.
I'll bring my stuff with me.
Really? I thought we just leave our stuff here and then just go around.
You pay one of the guys.
To look after?
The stuff? I don't have very much stuff. I'll leave my shoes, but.
You leave all your stuff in the bike?
No, but like, I have the shoes and then.
Oh, so you could go there, get a picture. Oh! Look at that, guys. Yay! one more time. Oh, all right. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice. All right. So she's kind of getting a picture right there. Beautiful photos. So the locals are actually great. You know, they actually use sort of these things to, survive. Like, they get incomes from these things. Like, make this rope right here. You could just swing in the water and jump in the water, and they get paid by doing that. So you see the locals come here just to jump in the water, but the other side there is really beautiful, and the waterfalls are really great. Like, oh, look up there, really great waterfalls. Oh my God. Well, you gotta be careful, man. Like, we don't know this place. Sometimes you slip and fall. Yeah. I mean, I'm really, really impressed. The waterfall is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Sorry?
I'm taking video.
Not?
Yeah, I'm taking video.
Oh, you should take video.
Yeah, I'm taking photo.
Oh, okay. So we don't get it. All right. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you? So how much you do the swing?
20 pesos.
20 pesos?
Unlimited swing.
Unlimited swings. Oh,
Go! Dami na sa
that's good. So how much do you make here per day from the swings?
What?
How much do you make per day? How much?
How much?
Yeah, do you make per day doing the swing? I just want to know. You don't get it? I mean, how much do you make every day if you do the swing? Like if people come here to do the
People,
swing.
100.
What?
100 people.
100 people do the swings times 20 pesos. Wow, that's good. Like 5,000 pesos every day. Damn.
Depends.
Yeah, it depends on the day.
Correct.
Yeah. All right. So how long you've been doing that? How many years you've been doing the swing here?
1 month?
1 month? Has there been any accident?
No accident.
No accident?
No accident.
All right. That's
no
good.
rock.
No rocks. All right.
Yeah.
What do we do? Jump in the water? Are you gonna jump in the water?
Yeah, well, look, I mean, people have, some people jump in the water, some people
Yeah,
wait on the
you
ground.
know, 20 pesos, then you do the unlimited swings.
Yeah, that guy did it.
But I'm afraid to jump from here. Sometimes these things or these rocks might be slippery.
You need to ask him.
Yeah,
That's,
the good place. How's the waterfall, man? All right, compared to Malaysia.
I didn't have much waterfall in Malaysia.
No, you haven't been to much waterfalls in Malaysia. All right. So Philippine waterfalls are good. Yeah. But overall, how's your experience in the Philippines? Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Everyone is friendly. And you can, everyone know how to speak English.
Oh, you want to learn more English?
No, I mean like everyone know how to speak English. So
Everyone knows. Yeah.
You don't have the communication problem.
Yeah. Like no language barrier because everyone knows how to speak English, right? At least you'll be able to talk to the locals and get along with them. Yeah. Yeah, but it's not really good because there's so many rocks and you might just fall. All right. Hello. So beautiful to take a picture there. Oh. Most beautiful waterfalls in Siquijor. Alright guys, so right up here, if you want to do a swing right here, you can use the rope and do the swing. Let's walk down. I want to show you guys the view from down. Yeah, and also you could go on the bamboo here and take a water. He's actually teaching them how to do the swing right now. Hey my friend, how are you? Hi. Hello.
Hi.
So I want to go down here, show you guys the view from here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's really beautiful. Yeah, so I want to go here. Sorry. Hi. Wow, so check out the view from here of the waterfall. Most beautiful waterfalls in Siquijor. So Siquijor is actually famous for waterfalls. Before I came to Siquijor, so here's the thing guys. Before I came to Siquijor, a lot of people told me that, oh, this place is famous for witchcrafts and everything. I got in the water there, my skin is itching guys, like, oh my god, I need to rinse my skin here. They told me that Siquijor is famous for witchcraft, but which is actually the opposite. As I've seen here, that's actually the opposite. I've been here for 2 days, and I've been here for 2 days. I've had a lot of amazing experiences, and the place is actually beautiful. The locals are friendly, and everything is just amazing. Everything. I mean, Siquijor is underrated, guys. It's really underrated. Come look at this waterfall here, guys. 3 of these spots you have in a single waterfall. You have 3 of these spots here. Look at this beautiful place. Look at this beautiful place, and you have 3 of them in a single spot here. And people are just enjoying, having fun. And most times, if you ask people, they tell you Siquijor is famous for witchcraft and everything. That's actually the opposite, man. I mean, come to Siquijor, you're gonna enjoy. I'm telling you for real, guys. For real, come to Siquijor, you're gonna enjoy, guys. And we still touring around this place and checking out things that you could do here. Don't worry, we're gonna talk to some locals to talk more about the waterfalls and ask them questions. We just got here and we are just getting started, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you're new here watching the video, I'm Success. I do travel videos around the Philippines. If you want to stay tuned for all of my travel vlogs around the Philippines, make sure to smash that subscribe button and support the vlog. Hit that super thanks. Donate to the channel to help me to travel more around the world. And I love you guys who have been supporting the channel. I really love you. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's tour around this beautiful waterfall here in Siquijor, guys. Let's go talk to this kuya right here. Kuya, are you working here?
Yeah.
How do you do the bamboo stuff? I want to tell my subscribers. What's your name? What is your name?
Clint.
Clan, are you a local of Siquijor?
Yeah.
Were you born here? Were you born in Siquijor?
Oh,
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. So were you born in Siquijor?
here up there in the mountain, our barangay name Tagmanukan, Lasi Secure.
So that's where you were born.
Yeah.
All right. Nice meeting you. I'm a vlogger. I'm from Africa, and I'm opportune to talk to you and ask you questions about the waterfalls.
Yeah.
All right. So, what can you tell me? Like, what's the name of the waterfalls again? I forgot.
Cambugahay Falls.
Cambugahay
Yeah,
Falls. Yeah, and I want you to say beautiful Cambugahay Falls. Beautiful.
Maybe.
Yeah, you say beautiful.
Beautiful Cambugahay Falls.
Yeah. All right. So,
The first time you here?
yeah, my first time in Siquijor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how long you've been working here?
Maybe 4.5 years.
Four and a half years.
Yeah.
And do you actually make living from here?
Excuse me?
Do you actually make your living from here?
What do you mean?
Do you actually get income from here enough
Yeah,
enough to pay your rent, bills, and everything?
Only for, it's not a salary. What amount of that swing?
So you need to get salary from someone.
Yeah.
All right. So oh, that's good then. So you guys are working together.
Yeah. This one, the Tarzan thing, and also here in the rock.
All right. So how much to do the bamboo?
If you want to use this solo,
Yeah.
you need to pay 50, but
50 pesos.
But if you use this with your group,
Yeah.
so you need to pay 50 also.
All right.
And then
Each person.
and the local 20.
All right. Local 20.
Then national is 50.
Yeah. But every time I get in the water, I feel my skin is itching. Why? My skin is itching. It's itchy. Like when I get in the water, my skin is itchy. I don't know why.
I don't know because
All right, that's okay. That's fine. So 50 pesos to use the bamboo, right? And what do you use? What do you do on the bamboo when you get?
if you want to use this, then we will bring you there at the post, then to take a nice photo,
All right,
then get some videos.
all right. Oh, my skin is itching, guys. My skin is itching.
There's so many small flies here.
Is it a fly, right?
Yeah, small flies.
It's really itchy. Like, where do I put my camera? I need to get in the water. My skin is itching, guys.
Yeah, what's up, too?
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Hey! Wow! Yay! Yeah!
Fun? You have fun?
Yeah. That was beautiful. That's what you do here at the waterfalls. You jump in the water. Swing. Using the swing, jump in the water. Thank you, Kuya. We're gonna go check out another waterfalls. Let's go. Kuya, give me the change. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
1.
Shout out to you guys.
Well done, bro.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's time to go back 130 steps up. Whew. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, waterfalls. ladies and gentlemen, that was really amazing, guys. I really like it. Really enjoy. I had so much fun in Siquijor, man. So far on this trip, the most fun I've had. An amazing time here. But the thing is, 130 steps to go up. So we are going right now. Yeah. Oh, we're already here. It's not really far. Oh, look at that hair. Nice hair. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
It was amazing. Yeah.
My drinks, water, cola, one more drink, sir.
I just bought you guys. I just bought drinks, man, and I drank a lot of water there, so it's fine. All right, guys. We are back. Hey, my friend. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Sabaw, utang. Everyone knows Sabaw because my friend is doing comedy stuff. Every time they see Sabaw, Sabaw. Guys, I had the most fun, man.
How was the swing?
Ah, it's really good.
Yeah?
I did it twice. It was amazing. Back to the motorcycles. Let's go check out another place, right?
You guys, we can go to different beaches. We can check on the way. And are you hungry already? If we find some food, we can stop to eat.
All right.
Because the other waterfall that we can check out is
All right.
on the way back.
On the way back. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go for some.
I think we should just grab snacks and eat in the town proper. It's gonna be better.
We're on the beach, I guess. What beach was we actually doing? Are we actually doing 3 beaches?
No, I think you're right. Then we can just like drive along and see all the different ones. The one I was thinking of was like Hang To Line or something.
All right, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go.